Hey there, sixth graders. Today is the first lesson in the Western Expansion unit. This is normally a long unit that we're trying to fit into a week. So today's lesson is kind of jam-packed. There's actually 5 different sections to this first lesson. So my advice is to move quickly through the pre-assessments so that you're giving yourself a little bit more time to explore the vocabulary and also the technology reading that comes at the end. So first things first, if you're watching this video, you're at the website for the Western Expansion unit. You want to click on the link for this lesson. When it finishes loading, go to the word File and make a copy. And you want to rename the lesson with your first name and last name in case you need to share it with the teacher or find it later on your own Google Drive. Okay, the first activity in here is called Disagree or Agree. This is a pre-assessment activity where you're basically reading these statements from the Western Expansion unit and you're asking yourself, do I agree with this statement? Do I think it's true? If so, type in the word agree. If you think the statement is not true, then you type disagree. And if you're just not sure, maybe it's confusing to you or it's something you never heard of, you don't have to agree or disagree. You can type in I don't know. Okay, this is a pre-assessment. The purpose of this activity is to activate your prior knowledge of this topic, of this unit, and to get you thinking about what you already know and what you probably still need to find more information out about. The second activity is a map, Western Expansion unit map, that you need to give a title to and color code. Okay, I'm not going to take a whole lot of time to explain this because there's another little video that gives you directions on how to color code the map and give it a title. So again, try to move quickly through these things. These are just pre-assessments to see what you already know about what we're going to be learning more about. The next section, this was our first warm-up in the New Nation unit. We're going to do an in 3 words activity. So again, if you weren't familiar with the in 3 words, make sure you watch the video from Good Morning America on YouTube so you get a good idea of what it means to describe something in 3 words. Analyze each of these images and try to summarize what's happening in each image in just 3 words. The next lesson is vocabulary, and in this activity you're going to become more familiar with all the terms, the new terms this unit. One term is manifest destiny, treaty, inventor, locomotive, entrepreneur, fertile, productivity, labor, vast, territory, expedition, republic, and southwest. So there's a lot of terms there. Make sure you watch the video closely to find out the definition and also how the term is used in context. Finally, the last activity is relating to new technologies during Western Expansion. So for this activity, you're going to analyze some text by opening the link, and you're going to be reading specifically about 4 Western Expansion inventions: the steam locomotive, the steamboat, the cotton gin, and the reaper. When you're finished with those activities, make sure you check to see if your information is correct in the See the Teacher section, and visit your teachers during office hours or send us an email if you're having trouble with any of these activities. Have a great day.